So may naman ay pag-uusapan natin kung paano maging rank 1 sa Master Teacher 1 position gamit ang bagong guidelines na dapat order number 20 series of 2024. So ito yung mga criteria. So letter A, we have education, B, training, experience, IPCRF, demo, RPMS, at DEI. No? So dito, mapapansin nyo dito, kung gusto natin maging rank 1 at makuha natin yung 100 points, ito yung mga kakailanganin natin. Dito sa letter A, ito yung dapat na meron ka as applicant, yung nasa green na column. So sa education, dapat ikaw ay PhD, PhD or DBA or any doctorate degree. Kasi ima-minus dyan yung minimum QS na MA degree. So ang level po ng PhD ay level 31 minus the minimum QS or qualification standard para sa Master Teacher 1 position which is level 21. So may matitira po kayong increment level 10. So pag tinignan natin sa rubrics, ito po ay 10 points or 10 maximum points. Okay? Para naman po sa trainings, dapat po at least meron kang 88 hours of relevant teaching hour trainings. Ano po? So that is level 12 minus the minimum QS of level 2 which is 8 hours. So meron po yung matitirang increment level 10. So ito naman po ay equivalent sa maximum points natin. Pagdating naman sa experience, dapat po meron kayong at least 9 years teaching or industry experience. Ano po? Ito po ay level 19 minus the minimum QS na level 9 which is 4 years of teaching and relevant industry experience. Ano po? So, level 19 minus level 9 equals level 10. So, that is 10 points pag tinignan po sa ating rubrics. And next po, letter D, we have IPCRF. Kung ang ina-apply nyo po ay Master Teacher 1 position and up, ito po ay kailangan ng tatlong IPCRF. Pero ang gigradean po doon ay current. Dapat po ay 1 year ang ating IPCRF, ang ating performance rating. Kung kayo naman po ay galing sa kung kayo naman po ay from non-teaching position or outside ng DepEd, still, kakailanganin pa rin po ng IPCRF which is ang equivalent po natin na maximum IPCRF rating is 5. So 5 over 5 times 30, so that is 30 points. That is the maximum points as per DepEd number 20 series of 2024. So sa demo teaching naman po, so 25. So para po sa Master Teacher 1 position, ang tinitingnan po dito ay yung Career Stage T. So check na lang po sa ating PPST. So ito pa ang ating mga indicators sa baba. And then, so kailangan nyo po ay magkaroon po tayo ng maximum score or points for rating pagdating sa demo na 40. Kasi we have 5 indicators. So dapat po 8 dapat ang makuha natin perfect score per indicator. So equivalent to 40 over 40 times 25. So that is 25 points. So that is the maximum points as per DepEd number 20 series of 2024. And lastly, meron po tayo yung letter F, RPMS or NBEI. So yung RPMS po, ito po yung portfolio. Kakailanganin po natin dito yung mga MOBs na katulad po ginagawa natin sa school every end of the school year. So that is 10 points. And then yung interview natin, yung tinatawag natin BEI, Behavioral Events Interview. So that is 5 points. So i-add po yung dalawa, equal 10 plus 5, so equals to 15. So 15 points, so that is the maximum points for letter F, RPMS, and Behavioral Events Interview. So overall, you have 100 points. Ang cut-off score po natin dito ay 50 points lang naman. Pagdating sa DepEd order number 20 series of 2024.